Everyone has a story that changes their life. Some stories bring happiness, and some stories bring tears. Today, I want to share a sad story about a young man named Daniel and the last letter he received from his mother. Daniel was a hard-working young man who lived in a small village. He was the only child in his family. His father passed away when he was very young, so his mother raised him alone. Daniel's mother worked every day to provide food, clothes, and education for him. Even when life was difficult, she always smiled and encouraged him. "Daniel, education is the key to a better life. Study hard, and one day you will achieve your dreams," she always told him. Daniel loved his mother very much. But as he grew older, he became busy with his studies and work. He moved to the city to find a better job and build his future. At first, Daniel called his mother every day. They talked about their lives, shared stories, and laughed together. But slowly, things changed. Daniel started working long hours. He had meetings, responsibilities, and many new challenges. Days became weeks, and weeks became months. Sometimes his mother called him, but he was too busy to answer. "Mom, I'm sorry. I'm in a meeting right now. I will call you later," Daniel said. But many times, he forgot to call back. One cold evening, Daniel received a phone call from his village neighbor. "Daniel, I have some bad news. Your mother is very sick. You should come home as soon as possible," the neighbor said. Daniel's heart sank. He immediately left the city and traveled back to his village. When he arrived at his old house, he ran inside. But it was too late. His mother had passed away that morning. "No! Mom! Please wake up! I am here! I came back!" Daniel cried. He sat beside his mother's bed and held her hands. Tears rolled down his face as he remembered all the sacrifices she had made for him. He remembered how she stayed awake when he was sick. He remembered how she saved money to buy his school books. He remembered how she always put his happiness before her own. Then Daniel noticed a small envelope on the table. It had his name written on it. "To my dear son, Daniel." With shaking hands, he opened the letter. "My dear Daniel, if you are reading this letter, maybe I am no longer with you. I want you to know that I am very proud of you. I never wanted expensive gifts or a big house. The only thing I wanted was to hear your voice and know that you were happy. I know you are busy building your future, and I understand that. But remember one thing, my son. Success is important, but the people who love you are more important. Please take care of yourself, eat well, stay kind, and never forget that your mother will always love you. With all my love, Mom." After reading the letter, Daniel cried harder than ever before. He realized a painful truth. He was so busy building a successful future that he forgot to spend time with the person who helped him reach that future. From that day, Daniel changed. He started spending more time with his family. He helped others and always remembered his mother's advice. Years later, Daniel became a successful man. He achieved everything he dreamed of. But whenever someone asked him, "What is your greatest achievement?" he always answered, "My greatest achievement was having a mother who loved me more than anything in the world." Life moves quickly. Sometimes we become so busy chasing our dreams that we forget the people who truly care about us. Do not wait until tomorrow to say, "I love you." Do not wait until tomorrow to call someone you love. Because sometimes, tomorrow never comes.